today's topic is nature and significance of management. It is an important chapter in your second PU Business Studies syllabus. In this session, I'm going to explain meaning and definition of management, characteristics of management, and objectives of management. Before we start this chapter, I want to give an introduction about management. Management is required in all kinds of organizations, whether they are big or small business, service oriented or manufacturing business, profit organization or non-profit organization. All types of organization, they require management. It consists of a series of interrelated functions that are performed by all the managers to achieve the goals of an organization. At last, the success of any organization completely depend on the quality of its management. We shall start with the meaning of management. Management is a process of getting things done with the aim of achieving goals effectively and efficiently. In this meaning, the term process is used, which is the combination of various functions. Those functions are called as primary functions. These primary functions are performed by the management to achieve the organizational goal within the expected time and by using minimum quantity of resources with minimum cost. Here you have a question of primary functions. What are those? They are planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. These all the functions you are going to study in your second PUC Business Studies syllabus as separate chapters. Before that, just I want to give an outline about these functions. Planning is deciding in advance what to do and how to do. It is a decision making process. Then what is organizing? It means coordinates human efforts, assembles resources, and integrates both into a unified whole to be utilized for achieving specified objectives. What is the meaning of staffing? It means filling and keeping filled the positions in the organizational structure based on the manpower requirement. What is directing? It is the process of instructing, guiding, counseling, motivating, and leading people in the organization to achieve its objectives. At last, what is the meaning of controlling? Ensuring that activities in an organization are performed as per the plan or not. Next, definition of management. According to Harold Kuhns and Heinz Weirich, management is the process of designing and maintaining an environment in which individuals working together in groups efficiently accomplish selected aims. It explains the following points as implication. First one is, as managers, people carry out the managerial functions of planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. Second one is, management applies to any kind of organization. Third one is, it applies to the managers at all organizational levels. Next one is, the aim of all the managers is the same, to create what? A surplus. Managing is concerned with productivity, which includes efficiency and effectiveness. What is effectiveness? It means achieving the goals by completing the given task within the expected time. It doesn't consider the resources and cost. It considers only the time taken to complete the task. And also it is concerned with the end result. What is efficiency? It means doing the task correctly by using minimum quantity of resources and with minimum cost. It does not consider the time taken to complete the task. It considers only about the quantity of resources and also the cost.